Hey guys, it's me, Brandi, and I'm going to play with my Glamlite chocolate factory box that I got. I've already done a pretty light base makeup, basically just concealer. So first I'm going to use this contour palette, and I'm going to use my trusty old IT brush. I'm going to use this bronzer kind of where I would use contour. It's a little bit warm to be a contour, but I think if I can blend it out, it'll be good. It's a really pretty color, especially for bronzer. I'll kind of do this up here. I know my hair looks crazy. Sorry, guys. Warm up the forehead a little bit. I'm going to use it to Okay, so then next, I do not have a Glamlite blush, so I'm just going to use probably this one. And this is Anastasia, and the color I'm going to use is called Rose. And we'll just pop that over my cheeks. Over my cheeks. I'm going to put a little bit more over here. And then I'll put a little bit on my nose. My little nosy. Okay, so next, I think I'm going to try to use this gold highlight. We're going to see how that looks. We'll just put it on very lightly on one side. I don't feel like it's too dark. It's beautiful. So I have a feeling that it's extremely wet looking. But I'm just gonna top it with that white. That white is like an iridescent color. It's pretty. Okay. That is that. And then I'm going to go in with this beautiful palette. I'm going to start off with this little fluffy brush. And I think I'm going to go in with Sweet Filling first. I didn't put primer on my eyes. I gotta prime my eyes, guys. Okay, so let's do this first real quick. Just put some Anastasia primer on the eyeballs. Now first I'm going to use Sweet Filling. I'm going to go above my crease. That's pretty. You know, I'm not like a huge neutral person, but I do love like a nice soft glam moment. This is the first time I've put makeup on in probably like a week. That is saying a lot. Wow, this is beautiful. This is blending out easily. It's not blending away. I love the shadow. This matte is perfect. It is just a brown matte, so it's easy to construct a brown matte, but it's beautiful. Okay, so next, I'm gonna go in with this slanted brush from, I wanna say it's, I don't know, I got it in a BoxyCharm, so, or an Ipsy. So next I'm gonna go in with, look at this one, and that is called Eclair. I'm just trying to deepen up the outer corner. I don't want to go too far in with this, because I am going to do a dark shimmer on the outside of my lid here. Okay. Now I'm going to take that Eclair on the bottom lash. All the way to the front. That's so pretty. Okay. So next, I am going to take, Boston Cream. Ever since I swatched it earlier, I wanted to use this one. So I am going to put it on my brush, and I am not going to spray this. Not yet. I want to see how it looks first. Okay, so that's pretty. Bet you it'll look prettier with the finger. Wow, that's gorgeous. Okay, so I am going to wipe that off my finger. And I am also going to try to wet the brush and see how that comes out when I wet the brush. I feel like wetting the brush probably makes it the same intensity as putting it on with the finger. Maybe a tiny bit more strength. Although I think that putting it on with my finger gave me some fallout. Oh yeah. All kinds of fallout. That's okay though. Because it's not colorful fallout, it's more like glittery fallout. Which I don't know that that's okay, but it's okay for me. So next I'm going to do white chocolate and I'm going to spray it. And that is going to go right here. I'm going to spray it there, and I'm going to spray it in. I'm actually going to kind of travel it up like I've been doing with my shimmers into the crease. Just because I think it looks so pretty. I don't know if you all think it's pretty, but I do. And that is all that matters. That white chocolate shade is so pretty. Look at that. It's so pretty. Alright, now the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this middle shade, which is called Chocolate Glazed. I'm going to spray it. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner. And that chocolate glaze is just a teeny tiny bit lighter than white chocolate. Oh my god, that's so pretty. So I'm going to take whatever's left over on the brush and go on my brow bone. That is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So I don't know if I'm gonna put lashes. I'm not a big lash person. I don't hate lashes, but it's just not something that I'm fond of. So I'm gonna put ColourPop's Best O in my waterline. It's just a really dark, like maroony brown. And I feel like it looks good with this palette. So next, I'm gonna put on good old Lash Princess. I love Lash Princess, but I've been noticing lately that it's transferring on my lower lashes, like onto my lower lid, like down here. And I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know how to stop it from doing that. But I have noticed that lately it's been doing it. So I don't know. What do you guys think? So that is that. And then I'm going to use, see, I tried on the s'mores lip gloss earlier. And I'm going to put the hot chocolate on this time. It's really hydrating. Not sticky. And I feel like this is like the same color as my lips. See? So I'm cool with that. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Is it pretty? Is it way too neutral? Neutral's not terrible. I can handle neutral. It's just not very often that I do neutral. So, but this is beautiful. I do feel like it packs the right amount of shimmer. The dark, I was able to darken up the corner. Yeah, I'm overall pretty happy with the products that I received in that box. So anyhow, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like and comment down below because it really helps out my channel and I'd appreciate it. And of course, if you'd like to see more looks like this, go follow me over on Instagram at BrandiWhite13. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night.